You want to make money online with what you already know? Join our free webinar in the description to learn how to create a digital product that sells, and be sure to stay for an inspiring story. Let's talk a little bit about Rachel, a pet lover who wanted to earn money online. She tried selling pet products as an affiliate, but the commissions were tiny and she felt stuck. Then she turned her pet knowledge into digital products. A $25 guide on training dogs. How smart is that? She shared it on Facebook groups, automated the sales, and now she's making $3,200 a month, all from her love of pets. You've got knowledge like that too. Here's the struggle. You want to make money online, but you're lost. Maybe you've tried starting a YouTube channel or selling on Etsy, but it's not working. You're asking, what can I sell? How do I do this? That confusion and fear of tech are keeping you from the income you deserve. Let's change that. You can create a digital product from what you know, and you can start earning. And here's how. Number one, use your knowledge. Whether it's cooking, parenting, or photography, we're here to help you turn it into a product like an ebook or a course. And number two, market simply. Use platforms like YouTube or Instagram to get your product seen. Little tech skills are really needed. And number three, automate the process. Set up a system that sells your product while you're out living life. This means a business that's 100% yours with high profit margins. Your knowledge is the ticket. Do you want to learn more? Our free webinar in the description will show you the ins and outs of the digital products which have the potential of making you money. Don't miss it. We've been where you are, trying to make money online and feeling stuck. We've figured out digital products and built a system that works. And now we're sharing it with you. We're real and we're here to help you succeed. Are you ready to make money with what you already know? Click the link in the description for our free webinar for more information on how to create, sell, and automate your digital product. Like, subscribe, and let's get started. See you in the next video.